Stan Gibilisco here to talk about wireless broadcast signals. What kind of a signal does a broadcast transmitter produce? Is it AC or DC? Well, all transmitters require direct current in order to operate. For example, a battery to supply the power necessary to generate the signal inside, which gets out eventually to the antenna. However, the signal itself is always alternating current. A ham radio transmitter might produce an alternating current at 3.5 megahertz. That's 3.5 million cycles per second. Compare that with the 60 cycles per second that comes out of your wall outlet, or in some parts of the world, 50 hertz or cycles per second. An FM broadcast station, radio station, that you might listen to classical music or something, might have a frequency of, say, 97.1 megahertz, but it's always alternating current that comes out of this transmitter. That's what a broadcast signal or a broadcast transmitter generates. Once that current gets into the feed line, which goes to the antenna, that current travels down that line in the form of an electromagnetic field. I've discussed that type of field in some of my works and some of my videos. It's a pretty sophisticated business, but it's an interaction between electrical and magnetic forces that creates this wave phenomenon that can travel down this feed line, and when it gets to the antenna, it escapes into space. And because of its unique properties, this alternating electromagnetic field can travel considerable distances, say to your radio receiver, and then it's converted back into a high frequency alternating current, which is processed and eventually reaches your ears as that tune that you love so much. But all electromagnetic fields are alternating. Direct current can't produce the type of electromagnetic field that can radiate through space like that. All broadcast transmitters produce alternating electromagnetic fields, but inside themselves, that is an alternating current. Stan Gibilisco signing off. Until next time, so long.